Clear Bra, North Dallas. Ferrari 488 full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus with the XPEL XR Plus window film, windshields, and doors and rear quarter glass, and topped off with a ceramic coating for that extra durability from the UV rays and slickness for easy to clean. Let's take a quick walk around this little guy and show you how everything gets wrapped in nice and tight. Everything's coming together. Everything gets wrapped around just like we do on all the Teslas and everything else. Like this little button comes out. When we come up over here, all this stuff gets wrapped in properly, even the small molding. This is a piece of stealth on top of here because it's a matte finish. And then coming around all this stuff, wrapping in as tight as we can under this, coming in around here, wrapping under there, coming around this whole rear area, easy to wrap inside all this stuff. Coming around the back side, more wrapping, carbon fibers getting wrapped. And you can see how we keep all our lines super tight. Everything's coming right around this edge, coming right around this edge, locking it under here, dumping it down into here. Real easy to do, taking the cap off and wrapping our caps and wrapping our quarter in, wrapping all this in just like the other side. All this goes underneath and coming around here. So just much of the same work, getting that wrap right. We did this all in one piece here, and then we did the bottom and the stock. So there it is, 488 Ferrari full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film with the ceramic coating by Fine Labs, 5-year product with the XPEL XR Plus window film. Let's get a side shot of that in the 30%. It's not too dark, it's not too light, just a nice clean look. And you can see how we run our lines nice and tight. I mean, that thing is super tight. So there you go, folks. I appreciate you watching Clear Bra North Dallas on YouTube. Any questions, clearbranorthdallas.com or 214-414-3809 extension 1. I'm Brent, and thanks for watching.